Greetings everyone, Sarah here, your favorite IBO, with a video about my notary unboxing. Back in June, I decided to add mobile notary and signing services to my IBO and decided to go with Atlas Corporate and Notary Supply Company. I'll leave their link down below. This is their North Carolina Super Deluxe Notary Public Set with round self-inking rubber stamp. It also came with 1 ounce of Ideal ink, an embosser, as well as a round stamp, self-inking stamp, and another stamp with more information as far as the county expiration date, and my notary journal and the bag that it actually came with. In North Carolina, we don't have to have a notary journal. However, I did decide to go with Notary Act. That is an electronic journal that you can actually download the app to your phone. It is so much easier to use. But here's my notary journal. I still use it and it's fresh and new. It's actually halfway full now. I became a notary back in August. Well, I got commissioned August 5th of 2020. This whole entire ensemble costed $79.45, and that's with shipping and tax. Before becoming a notary, I have always been intrigued about the embossers. So when I seen that this set came with it, I was super excited. I am a new notary, so I did not know how the equipment worked, but after reading, and reading is fundamental, what you would have to do is squeeze down and unlock the embosser for it to open. Now you do have the option of ordering like gold sticker seals, and that will make your emboss show even better. And I kind of use those for my wedding officiant, and I'll go into detail about that in another video. But here I am trying the embosser. I am super excited, and as you can see, no complaints, very good quality from Atlas. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back in my pack and go ahead, and I'm not going to open the ink, but you really need to know how to properly ink your stamps. If not, you will have a few days of mess, and I'll show a video about that later on. Again, I am a new notary, so I don't know how a lot of the stamps work, but I'm more concerned about the quality and how long they will last. And as you can see, I'm just going to stamp, not knowing I have to do something else. But it's pretty good for that. But as you can see, you push down and voila. And I'm going to try it for a better look. And fantastic. North Carolina as a state does not require us to have our commission end date on our stamp. However, your state may be different, so please read your notary laws. And again, here is the other stamp with all the extra information as far as the date of, by, my notary commission end date, and things of that nature. That is great and high quality as well. So basically, this is all that came with my deluxe notary set. And the stamps came out very well. I have no complaints. I will actually add something else to another video because I did buy a smaller stamp. So that's one thing you may have run into. You may need a smaller stamp, and I'll leave a link below with the information about getting a smaller stamp. Also, here is Celeste. She is my Afrocentric table. I just love her. And she holds it down for me. And I do all my videos with her. And if you like her, I will